how to set the default digital assistant app to open Firefox, Opera, Samsung Internet Web Browser on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Then in here, tap on choose default apps, and then go down and tap on digital assistant app, and then tap on digital assistant app. Now tap on the left hand side, don't tap on the right hand side, otherwise that go into the settings. Now in here you can choose to open up Firefox, and then tap on OK, or Opera, or Samsung Internet. So select one of the options and then tap on OK. And here, once you have select one of the options, you can see if I swipe in from the corner, this will open up the assistant app, which will open up the browser. So here, if I go in and choose Firefox this time, if I swipe in, this will open up Firefox. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.